Alright everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy chickpea recipe. There's a quick look at everything you'll be needing today. Some Creole seasoning, ground cumin, garlic powder, chili powder, a can of chickpeas. You'll need some rice. I prefer to use the quick rice. I like the brown rice. A teaspoon, a strainer, a bowl, and something to mix with. So first you're going to strain the chickpeas and rinse them in water. After you've strained and washed your chickpeas, you just put them in the bowl and we're going to start adding the spices. 1 teaspoon of Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now that you've got all your spices in here, it's time to mix everything up. Now go ahead and add whatever rice you chose to use at the beginning of this video. When you first add the spices, it does kind of seem like you're using too much, but once you add the rice, it really smooths everything out. Go ahead and serve yourself a bowl. If it's not spicy enough for you, you can add some hot sauce like I do, and enjoy your lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!